Hello and welcome to the part 4 of the video that we are making a meme coin for charity with the help of Google Bard. As you can see the previous video that I have tweeted out to Skibo, um, he's helped me out. He said, look, there are some errors now. So Google Bard, it created a new smart contract. I tweeted out how it's looking now. So he replied back, he said, well, it tried. So total supply is gone. So the function should be using the burn to manage the supply. You wanted to each transfer to skim some, right? Yeah, that's what we want. So each and every transaction, we wanted to burn something. So this version lost your maths. So the contract should override transfer in order to burn and distribute different percentages. Right, well, we are in a real pickle. So I went and asked the Google Bard. So I went and talked to Google Bard again. I have pasted the previous smart contract it did give me. And yeah, it says the smart contract you provided looks good. It's well written and implemented the ERC20 standard correctly. The only thing that it would add is element to explain in what function it does. So basically, it explains what it does, which function, transfer function, approve function, the allowed function, and transfer from functions and burn function, and check that the amount requested is, yeah. So basically, it did say that. So I didn't ask. I have asked a human smart contract developer. He found some errors. Here's the reply. Well, it tried. Total supply is gone. So I did paste the same reply he did. So it went ahead and said, like, sure, I can help you with the correct errors in the smart contract. The first thing that is the total supply is variable is gone. So the variable is used to keep track of the total supply of the hope coin. The burn function should be using the variable decrease the total supply when hope coins are burned. The second error is that the match for the skimming was lost. The burn function should be skimming a percentage of the hope coin that are transferred. The percentage should be specified as a parameter in the function. The third error is that the contract is not overriding the transfer function. The function is responsible for transferring the hope coin from one account to another. The contract should override this function in override to burn and redistribute the percentage of this hope coin that are transferred. Right. Okay. He did give me the code again. So basically, yeah, this is what it is. Hopefully, this does. It did correct it with the following thingy. I'm not sure whether this is correct or not. So I did went and tweeted again. So I did ask again. Let's see how this turn up. So I did tweeted it and say, look, this is the thingy that it did come, and I did tweeted the smart contract as well. So let's see how things goes. And two people already, five people already seen. So if anybody watching, if you wanted to help to get this coin going and minted, so please do reach me out on Twitter. So let's get this. I have a feeling that it's Google Bard is behind ChatGPT, which is not functioning properly, I think. I'm not sure. So, if anybody wanted to give me a shout, feel free. Let's, as a community, let's get this going. So, I have already talked about a couple of charities in Sri Lanka. They have, need our help. The projects are there. I will update you once I gather all the information. That's what's needed and what we can do. Right. Thanks for watching. I'd like to see you in another video. Hopefully, in the next video that we get going ahead. All right. Love to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.